Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how we can hyperlink to another URL in Smartsheet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is when you're in Smartsheet, you just want to click like sub item here, right click on it, hyperlink, and then you can like hyperlink to another URL. I can go to youtube.com, click OK, and when I'm going to click on it, it will automatically put me there. So yeah. And that's pretty much it. And this is how you can hyperlink URL in Smartsheet. So thank you very much. If you have any questions, ask me down below in comments, and goodbye.